Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, December 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD, I still think this looks like a W, X, and Y, and I still think that it looks like it possibly is going to end up starting a big downtrend for a wave Y. Now, like I've been saying, this does not align with the US dollar analysis, so this actually could end up continuing up for quite some time, maybe even taking out this high before it really does end up making that bigger downtrend. So going down to the weekly time frame, we're definitely trading with the flow, and the trend is up right now. And we're starting to close above the 78%, which makes me think that the trend is not going to change. It might just keep on going up. So definitely continuing to trade with the trend until the trend tells us otherwise. Going down to the daily time frame, our breaker structure point is still way down here. We still do not have a breaker structure, so there's still really no reason to say at all that this uptrend is over. Like I've been saying, this trend definitely could continue on the daily time frame to make higher highs and higher lows. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it still looks like it could be a wave A and a possible wave B, and it possibly could go down for wave C, but I think that that is just a misleading shorter time frame analysis. I think, especially with the fact that we're so far above the 78%, that more likely than not, this move down is probably just another correction to this move up, and it's probably just going to keep on trending up at this point. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely got impulsive down. We definitely got a break of structure. But that only proves to me that this last little push up is over. More likely than not, this is just going to be another ABC correction within an uptrend. So we need to continue to mainly focus on looking for longs. Yes, I drew this as going down for possibly a couple days, which it does not have to do. It could easily just keep on trending up at any point, which is why I'm not interested in going short, but instead I'm interested in looking for three-way pullbacks to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend, at least until the higher roadmap timeframes tell me that we have the end of a trend, which we definitely do not have yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.